Welcome to H&H RVing, RV Renovation by Dan and Michelle. We're going to be renovating and customizing our newly purchased 1995 34-foot Allegro Bay by Tiffin. It's a model F530F with a Ford 460 cubic inch motor. This is me, and this is how our roof looked in the process of getting it ready. There's my wonderful wife as she's slaving away and scraping the roof off. So here's our new, to us, 1995 Allegro Bay Tiffin, 34-foot RV. The asking price on Facebook Marketplace was $3,500. We paid a lot less. After looking at the roof issues and everything, if you get in here, and you can see, along here you can see where you can actually, the aluminum is exposed. And just above this section you can see plywood on top whenever I went to look at it. So we were able to get it reduced down quite a bit from the 3,500. So the issues that it has, that's what we plan on getting prepared and fixed. This is a front view on one side with the slide out, and the slide out does work. Of course, you can see we need to replace the gasket in here, and of course you can see more roof issues up here that we just had to deal with. Before we started anything on the inside, we started with the roof repairs because that was important. There's no need to do a repair inside if it's just going to continue to get wet. So here's another front angle view. And of course, this is after the purchase, and this is after it had been driven home, and then we washed it, so it had a lot of different mildew, and you can see right here some of the fungus and stuff that actually adhered in to the fiberglass on the corner. And there's a lot of little spots like that we had to deal with. And here's the rear view, and as you can see, this is a tire. This was not the spare. There was a good spare on the back. But this is where we had a blowout in the process of getting it to our house from where we made our purchase. But luckily the spare in the back was good, and we were able to change the tire out. And along our way we also had to swap a thermostat, which is another reason why I wanted an older model RV. And I say older, this is a 1995, so I wanted something that I could do work on if needed for those type of situations. Here is the view looking into the kitchen and living area, and as you can see, there was some water damage in this section down here, which I could not see during the review of purchase because the slide out was covering that. And then you can also see where there's been some water running down the wall and everything, so there's a lot of places that have had some water get in. And so we've got a lot of things that we're going to address. Some damage down here on the floor. So this is where the shower is at right here. This is where the fridge is supposed to go. We're hoping to possibly get a fridge to go in that spot. That's going to be designed to go gas and electric because we may have to boondock sometimes. Alright, this is the view from the restroom or bathroom looking back up towards the front. So you can see there's a lot of space in here. Nice two reclining chairs. Actually, they're not reclining chairs, they're stationary chairs. We do have bases that can turn them into rockers. Also, there's this up here has a lot of water damage in it, and that cabinet's going to have to completely come out. Here's the bathroom. You can see more water in the corners, and you can see water around the window frame. This paneling is probably going to need to be replaced, especially up here in the top right corner. There's a bad spot. Alright, here's the bedroom. And you can see there's a little shine because of water. You know, after we washed it, we came in, there was water sitting in here. And of course, there's water that's been in here from before. And so all the lamination was just completely gone. We were scared of finding mold, and we didn't find mold. We just found a lot of rotten wood. And that was good. And You can see the water stains in this headboard, so we knew water's been getting in. Could be from the seam of the window. And then here we are, further detailed, looking at the roof, trying to assess it, trying to get it right. You can see there's been several little patches up here. But yeah, you can just see the aluminum that should have been covered, covered with top and rooftop stuff. So, that's our first project. First major project is just to completely redo the entire roof and put new roll and everything. We're going to be doing a TPO top, so we'll have to take everything off and then see what's down there, do wood replacement if needed. And yes, thank you for watching us here, H&H RVing. We're going to have pictures on Instagram at H&H RVing. Support us at Patreon, patreon.com/H&H RVing. If you wanted to assist us in paying for some of the renovations that we do, we would deeply appreciate it, because there is a lot that does need to be done on the inside. And of course, the exterior is the main goal.